Imagine two students preparing for the same exam. Both of them have same books, same classes, and same 24 hours a day. But one of the students finishes assignment faster, create better presentation, understand concept deeply, and still has time left. What's the difference? It's not intelligence, it's not hard work, it's leverage. And in 2026, the biggest leverage a student can have is AI. Today I'll show you 5 AI tools that can change the way you learn, you work, and you study. These are not futuristic tools. These are available right now, and if you are not using them, you are already lacking behind. The first tool is ChatGPT. Let's start with the most obvious one. Almost everyone knows ChatGPT, but most of the students use it terribly. They open ChatGPT and type, "Give me notes on AI." They copy paste and consider it done. But that's not how you use AI. You are using AI as Google. The real power of ChatGPT is turning it into a personal guidance. Imagine you are studying a difficult topic, but instead of reading the same paragraph 5 times, you can ask ChatGPT like, "Explain this like I'm 10-year-old. Still confused?" You can ask, "Give me real life examples. Want a study plan?" You can ask, "Create a 7-day strategy plan for my exam." Suddenly learning becomes interactive. It's like having a personal guidance available 24 hours a day. Second tool is NotebookLM. Let's talk about a tool that feels almost unfair. Imagine uploading all your notes, research papers, lecture slides, everything, and asking, "What are the most important topics from these notes?" and getting an answer instantly. Or you can create a revision guide or practice test and getting all the answers just in one go. NotebookLM doesn't search the internet, it reads your documents, and that's what makes it so powerful. And here's the crazy part, it can even generate podcast style audio from your notes. Think about it, this is not studying harder, this is studying smarter. Third is Claude. If you are an engineering student or learning programming, Claude can become your best friend. Imagine you are stuck on a code for hours. You can just paste the code and ask what's wrong with the code. It won't just fix the error, tell you why it happened. Need a website or working on a project? It can help you build features, debug issues, or improve your code. What makes Claude special is its ability to understand large amount of codes at once, making it perfect for the college assignment and college projects. Think about it and don't just copy paste. Learn how the code works. That's where the real value is. Fourth is Perplexity. Let's be honest, researching on Google is exhausting. You open one tab, then another. 20 minutes later, you realize that you are reading something unrelated. Perplexity solves the problem. Instead of giving you hundreds of links, it gives you the information along with the sources. Need stats of project or information for a presentation? Perplexity gathers information and summarizes it instantly. And the best part, it tells you where the information came from. So instead of spending 1 hour searching, you spend 1 hour learning. Tool 5 is Gamma. Let's talk about students' worst nightmare, presentations. Come on, we all have been there. The presentation is due tomorrow and you have not started yet. You spend hours choosing templates, finding images, and formatting slides. Gamma changes everything. You simply write, "Create a presentation on climate change," and within minutes, it will create a good presentation for you. Slides, visual, content, everything. So instead of spending 4 hours creating the slides, you can spend 1 hour improving your ideas, and that's where your energy should go. Here's the truth. The AI will not replace students, but students who use AI will replace students who don't. The goal is not to let AI do all the work. The goal is to removing the boring work so you can spend your hours thinking, learning, and creating. Because the future belongs to those who know how to use AI and not compare against it. So my question for you is, if you can use just one tool, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video useful, subscribe because we are just getting started. I'll see you in the next one.